Greetings. If you're running a business from home, if you're working as an entrepreneur, I am talking to you. And it's very important that you understand how important of a part that you are playing in our society. If you need help, if you need promotion, if you need space to build your business, I'm your person to talk to. You can contact me at ahibusinessconsultants at gmail.com, ahibusinessconsultants at gmail.com, and the website is ahiconsultants.com. I believe in empowering women one at a time, right? And you are working really hard to actually build your business, supporting the economy and supporting your own family. So I need to help you as the mentor of many women in the community. If you would like to get some more support, you can talk to me, you can write to me. And also, there are tons of resources available for entrepreneurs like you from the government, from the province, from the federal government, and you need to actually tap into those kind of resources. Don't ever believe that you can only start small and stay small and working from home is the only option you have. Yes, working home is an amazing option, but again, you can expand. You can try creative ways to promote your business, and you can build a business network. I already have a business network built. You can join it if you would like to join it, if you would like to support each other, if you would like to come together as a group of Muslim women who are working from home. Please do write to me. This MCMN media is actually geared towards the issues, the challenges, the successes, the contributions, and also the opportunities of achievements and opportunities to actually motivation for each other is built upon those structures. So MCMN media also need you to come forward. Send me ideas, send me your feedback, and also let me know how would you like to build this network working from home. Thank you. And next coffee talk will be another topic.